Here we have a 2019 Porsche Cayenne V6S Tiptronic. Now this vehicle comes with the 22-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, as you can see just there. We also have the black exterior paintwork, we have the daytime running headlights, we also have over £10,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Right to the passenger side, you find we have the second alloy wheel, again in excellent condition. We also have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. We have the panoramic glass roof, which is currently open. We also have the rear spoiler as well, just there. We have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera as well. We also have the quad-tip exhaust at the back. We have a power assisted tailgate which will open if you just press the button on the remote there. Now inside of here you find we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. We can pull the Porsche shelf back just like so. We also have the storage net as well on the left hand side. Come up here, press this button and the boot will close again just like so. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If you take a look at the interior, so inside of the back you find we have the full leather interior, we have the foldable armrest in the centre, fixed ISO points as well. We also have the vents down there for the rear passengers. We have a USB port and also the 12-volt connectivity as well. On the doors you find the electric windows, we also have the premium Bose sound system as well. Taking a look now at the front, again the full leather interior. Both these front seats are heated, they're also electrically adjustable with the memory function, as you can see just there, and the memory function on the doors. Electric windows, we also have the electric mirrors as well. We have the auto lights just down there. A multifunctional steering wheel which is also heated. We have the paddle shifters on either side. If we take a seat inside you find the paddle shifters just there. We have the speed limiter and the cruise control as well on that stalk down there. We have two digital screens either side of the dashboard, so if we put our foot on the brake and turn the car on, then the vehicle will start up for us, and you'll find it'll be free from any warning lights, only one being for the fuel. So as you can see, we have the two dials either side, so as if we scroll through each one, you can see you can get different bits of information, same as on here. So if we just click onto driver 1, you see we can get through different bits of information on that side using this side of the steering wheel. We have a button just underneath there for the heated steering wheel, as you can see it's now turned on. We also have the main infotainment screen as well in the centre, which is touchscreen. As you can see we have the sat-nav navigation. We also have a range of media as well with the DAB, FM, AM radios. We also have the Bluetooth as well. With the phone connectivity, if we just click there, you find the phone connectivity. Clicking onto the car, you find we have the off-road drive modes. So we have the gravel, the mud, sand and rocks. We also have the standard drive mode as well. So if we could just click on there, you can see we have the normal, sport or the individual. You can also change the chassis as well, just like so. We have the button down here for that as a little shortcut. Same with the sport drive mode as well, just a little shortcut down there. We have all the shortcuts as well, so if we click onto media, you find the media pops up just there. We also have the apps, as you can see a few apps just there. Scroll down, we have the assist, making it a very safe car to drive. And putting the car into reverse, you find the reversing camera and also the parking sensors as well. Put it back into park low. So if we go back onto the drive modes, if we scroll onto car, we also, if we go onto control, you find that we have the ambient lighting just there. We have a few colours which we can choose from, as you can see. We also have the climate control as well down here, which again can come up just here on the screen, or you can adjust it just like so on either side, dual zone climate control. We have the heated seat buttons, as you can see just there, turn it on and off, working just as it should do for each side. Heated screens as well just there. We also have the ice-cold air conditioning as well. With the electric handbrake, we have some storage space. We have 12-volt connectivity, two good-sized cup holders. We have the leather armrest. Open that up for some extra storage. We also have two USB ports. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, then please check out the website. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this Porsche Cayenne S. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, I'm not interfering with steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, so you're straight to not veering off to your left or to the right hand side. Now this vehicle does come with over £10,000 worth of optional extras included. Now the list of all the optional extras are on the website in a little box which drops down and gives you a full list of everything that is optional extras on this vehicle. Now, do you have a multifunction steering wheel paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode? Now just below, we do have your cruise control stalk. Now you have lots of digital dials in front of me. You have your analog speed dial in front, and then on the left hand side you do have your screen, and on the right hand side you do also have another screen which can have your satellite navigation map, and also lots of other features there as well. It's entirely up to your preferences which one you use. We have your big screen in the centre where you can see your satellite navigation. You can also find your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, front and rear parking sensors, rear reversing camera. Now steering wheel is also heated from a little button just underneath there, a little bit hidden, but it is there. Very nice feature to have on those cold winter mornings. So coming up to the industrial set, I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform a mid-stop, pop straight into reverse. Just show that the brakes work exactly how you would expect it to. And you see pop up on the centre screen the rear camera. So pulling in now, emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard anti brakes straight into reverse, and no issues whatsoever. Rear camera, front and rear parking sensors, back into drive. Again, no issues whatsoever. Now you have lots of buttons just down here where you can change your suspension mode, you can change the drive mode, you've got your dual zone climate control, you've got your heated seats. The list really does go on. Now speaking about the seats, they are in the front, heated, electric and memory. Very nice seats, very, very comfortable. Could quite easily do 200, 300, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. You have your panoramic sunroof which opens as well as just a glass roof. 2 nice sized cup holders, and the list really, really does go on, which you've seen on the walk around video. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team where they can answer questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video test drive. Here to see you from you soon. Cheers.